Hello everyone, my name is Paul Ratliff and you're watching Paul's Railroad. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I just wanted to give you folks another update of where I'm at going over finishing these 8 buildings for that building file giveaway I'm going to be doing here very shortly. As you can see, hopefully you guys can tell with this lighting and this camera angle that I have gotten the main dirty black wash done in all of these buildings. My little layout that I'm building is based roughly or kind of on like a little coal mining town, so I wanted to give these buildings a real grimy look. Again, it is just the base black wash I have done on them just to get them a little bit dirty and grimy. I am not done yet. I have to come in and do a lot of individual, more, purposeful weathering, I guess you could say. So we've got that part done, and let me grab and show you what else I've gotten done. All right, the other thing that I've gotten done so far is I have all of the bases, base coat on them. These are all the bases for the buildings, of course. They're the sidewalk bases, actually, that I have created for them. As you can see, there are 16 of them here. I have 8 buildings, but I have 16 bases. Reason being is that I have bases that are extra wide, so you can put a building on it and have it sitting by itself, off in a corner, off wherever you want it by itself. Or I have bases that are narrow, so you can put the buildings on those and group them together like a downtown area. Also, the black that you see here, these are all the roofs for these buildings. I just gave them a coat of black, just a base coat. That way, when I put my roofing material on them, whether it's going to be tar paper or some kind of like a gravel rooftop, I've not decided what I'm going to do. Probably a little bit of both. That nothing's going to show through in case I miss something, of course. So, next step for these, I need to go and do just a basic dirty old black wash over all of these cement areas. And again, like I said, I need to do the individual weathering on the buildings using pastels and chalks and some other paints and washes and stuff like that. We're getting there, folks. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. And don't forget to subscribe and give me that thumbs up if you would. I really appreciate it. It helps immensely. Take care, and I will see you next time.